That's a good boy, Doogie. Here's another one for you. Okay, my arm is getting pretty tired, Doogie. Can we call it a day? All right, but I'm gonna get my money's worth this time and throw it way out there. So are you ready? Oh, Doogie, you always fall for the fake ball toss. Sorry about that, buddy. Here's a doggy treat for you. What is it, Doogie? Oh, hello. You might remember me. I'm Billy Bluehair, and this, of course, is my trusty companion, Doogie. Well, Doogie, now that we have company, shall we stop playing fetch and play host? Okay, but this is the last one, so here you go. Doogie! Doogie! Now I've been tricked, but without the treat. Well, let's go see if we can help Doogie find his ball. Holy smokes! Literally, where's it all coming from? Wow, look at that fire! We need to be sure to stand back a safe distance because fire is extremely dangerous. In fact, whenever you see smoke, be sure to move away from it to safety. Let's watch the firefighters in action. Well, look! There's Doogie on the back of that truck. Not so fast. I'm coming to get ya. Whoa, that was some ride. I wonder where we are. Let's stand back to get a better look. Oh, there goes Doogie into that house. Well, it looks like a house, but where's the front door? Where's the mailbox? Or the chimney? Maybe it's not a house. Let's find out for sure, shall we? Boy, it sure looks like a house, doesn't it? It has a kitchen. It has a bedroom. Look, a toaster and toast. Well, wait a minute. What is that tall, skinny thing over there? I know I don't have one of those in my house. That sure is peculiar. I wonder why it's here. I guess it's probably a good idea to find out where we are, huh? Here we go. Well, what do you know? It's a fire station. Fire stations are kind of like snowflakes. No two fire stations are exactly alike. Some look like this, while others look like this, and this, and this, and even this. Now, a fire station is also called a station house, and this is the place where firefighters work. At the start of every day, firefighters line up for roll call. Roll call is when their names are called out by the officer to make sure they are present and ready for work. Each firefighter is given a list of duties for the day, along with a riding position on the fire truck, but we'll get to that part in a minute. Now, just like a regular house, there are lots of chores that have to be done to keep things running along. But there are many more chores to do other than taking out the trash and washing the dishes. Firefighters are constantly cleaning and inspecting their equipment to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be and in good working order. Now, firefighters work and live at the station in shifts, usually 24 hours at a time, which means the fire station has many of the same things that a regular house has, like a kitchen, so they have a place to cook their meals, a dining table, so they have a place to eat the meals they just cooked. Yum! That looks good! Look, firefighters are like one big happy family. Ah, now, isn't that special? Now, after all that cleaning and inspecting and cooking, it's time for bed. Many fire stations have bedrooms upstairs because there's no more room downstairs after parking the fire trucks.